So you're in the process of adopting Bloomreach's digital experience platform, which has embedded within it a headless CMS. How does using a platform like Bloomreach play into the approach you're taking, your philosophy, and how is it going to help you reach your goals?
It's flexibility. I mean, to me, it's we have too many CMSs, to be honest. We need a platform. We need features. We need a feature of displaying content. We need a feature of controlling and managing content. We need personalization as a feature. We need management and operations. We needed to be able to develop. So all of this, from a Bloomreach perspective, this is where it fits in perfectly to me, because it's not necessarily only a CMS conversation. I mean, in the end, it's an application discussion, and that there isn't an application that we build that doesn't have some sort of CMS features or functionalities, use cases that we have to provide. Some applications are very, very minimal. Some are, like a brand website is very heavy, and so in a headless approach, we need a solution that can run the gamut, and that we want a solution that can build a true engaging brand website for millions of users, and do so very regionally and personalized by country and language and brand. At the same time, we need to do it for one-off small applications. We need to do it in B2B. We need to do it across the organization. And this is our opportunity in a project run by our central team, where we can actually move towards putting all our brands on one infrastructure from a Power Tools perspective, and say we have a global CMS for the Power Tools brand websites, and that we can build features at a global scale while giving regionality full control. And so going, to the headless approach, I mean, Bloomreach becomes the center in the B2C brand websites. There's a dozen other systems that are really involved and needed to kind of power a B2C experience. And if you looked at our global landscape, it's not actually a dozen, it's probably 30. And there's a lot of overlap because the systems are different by country or region. However, seeing Bloomreach doesn't care because it's a service and it's just powering a feature. And the front end doesn't care because it's just a service and a feature being powered by a back-end system. It can help us normalize. It can actually take away some of the pains on having different back-end systems, and we can actually build a feature and then replicate it for different regions very quickly to connect it to the different back-end system that may exist in that country. Or the standard feature works if that feature exists. And so this is an opportunity not just from a B2C perspective, but just a general Power Tools perspective.